We got the frame of the old sawmill shed pretty much up. Now we're just setting the posts that the beams are going to be sitting on for the sawmill to sit on. This Hoosh, our chief carpenter, master of disaster, setting stuff up. So these posts are going to be down about 36-40 inches, all tarred and feathered, thanks via Jake. We got 5 of them all the way down. Going to be setting them up and putting the beams in. A little bit of cement, keep them from popping out in the cold weather. Thanks for the correction there, Hoosh. And we'll keep you posted as we're going along. Moving right along, we got pretty much yesterday's progress. We got 2 of the end posts set in here. That's gonna hold the track up off the ground. And then we got the other 2 set up there. Then we're gonna set the middles and then the outside. We set them basically the same way we did the big posts here. We just cross drilled them, chunk of rebar through there, heavy coat of tar. She'll last. But a lot of layout. That was the hardest part because we want the sawmill to sit back in this cavity. It'll be all sided. That way we'll be out of the elements. But we still want to be able to come in here with a tractor or a skid steer with some pallet forks, 48-inch forks, and load up the old sawmill track. So we're ready to start disassembling the track, and we're going to be using the beams that the track is sitting on now for the posts in the ground here. And then we have some big 13-footers there. Those are going to be our new beams that are going to lay across those posts. And basically same setup as there, but instead of cinder blocks, we're going to have these beams. And then once that's all set up, and then those are our rafters already cut. They're 2x10. I know the last video I made a mistake. They're 2x10, not 2x8s. True 2x10s. And we're gonna put them all up 2 feet on center, and then we can have this thing roofed. And then hopefully we'll sneak her in before the snow starts flying, and then she'll be out of the elements. All right, YouTube, just thought I'd keep you updated with what's happening here. Yeah, these will be all cut down to height, reset, and then we'll have a nice 12x40 sawmill shed. Yes, sirree. It's gonna be our new hangout too, by the way. Alrighty, okay. We'll keep you posted as we go along.